When your teen's AP Calculus grades suddenly drops in November after a strong start, you're not witnessing a motivational problem. You're watching foundational cracks finally show up under pressure. Here's the deal. In the early AP Calculus units, it lets students coast just by on memorization alone. They memorize all the derivative rules, but they never truly have a foundational understanding in the applications. By mid-November, concepts start to stack so fast that the weak foundations start causing cascading failures and problems in their understanding. So a student that aced all of their derivative tests now might bomb a related rates or optimization test because the applications are more important. What your team needs to start doing is pinpointing which specific skills cause them to make mistakes currently within their homework and their quizzes. That will help them start to improve upon their tests. So they need to start factoring in errors from algebra as well as trig. They need to know their trig identities and all the other basic pre-calculus concepts, because that makes it even more challenging to apply everything they've learned this semester. I would also recommend your team stop pushing forward, hit or pause, and take a few weeks to start rebuilding some of the shaky areas. This practice should be targeting all of the old foundational skills so that they can start rebuilding with a solid foundation on the new topic. So if you're a parent watching this video and you want to give your student a clear assessment so that they know exactly where they are having struggles, I can also help them build a step-by-step plan before the winter break actually hits. Message me the letters AP below and I'll send over some details on how you can sign up for a free strategy session so we can help you and your team map out the specific weak points holding them back and give you all a realistic timeline to getting them back on track before January hits.